Dear student, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How are you all? I am fine. I think you are also fine by the grace of Allah. I, Mizanur Rahman, Milestone College. I am your business teacher. Today I will take your business class. So before going to start our today's class, I want to ask some question from previous lesson. Your previous lesson was chapter 7, lesson 5, 6, 7. So from this lesson, I want to ask some question. My dear, are you ready? Yes. Question number 1. How many Upazila Parishad are there in Bangladesh? At present, do you know how many Upazila Parishad are there in Bangladesh? Yes, 492 Upazila Parishad are there in Bangladesh. Next question, how many Union Parishad are there in Bangladesh at present? Do you know, my dear? Yes, 4,554. Next question, how many Paurushava are there in Bangladesh at present? Yes, 327 Paurushava are there in Bangladesh. Next question, how many city corporations are there in Bangladesh? Do you know, my dear, how many city corporations? Yes, how many city corporations? 12 city corporations are there in Bangladesh. What is good governance? Do you know, my dear, what is good governance? The government which is formed according to the constitution. This government is called good governance. Now, my dear, now I will go to my today's class. Let's start our today's class. Our today's class lesson is chapter 11, Minority Ethnic Groups of Bangladesh. In this class, we will learn lesson 1, 2 and 3. Okay, chapter 11, Minority Ethnic Groups of Bangladesh. A small section of people speaking in different languages have been living for a long time in Bangladesh. Okay. Lesson number 1. Geographical location of Bangladeshi minority ethnic groups. Where they live in Bangladesh. Usually, according to geographical location, there are two types of ethnic people live in Bangladesh. Two types. There are hilly people and the people who live in the plain land. My dear, two types. One type is hilly people and another type is those who live in plain land. It is very important part. One of the parts of these people lives in southeastern part in the land of like Chittagong, Hilltex, that is Rangamati, Bandarban, Khagrasari. So first part we have learned. One of the part, these people lives in southeastern part and in Chittagong, Hilltex, that is Rangamati, Bandarban, Khagrasari. Okay, another portion. The minority ethnic groups living in these districts are Chakma, Marma, Tripura, etc. In blood and body structure, they are very much like Mongolian people. These people are also known as hilly people. So in this para, what we have learned? First on hilly people, where they live. They live in southeastern part of Bangladesh. Where is southeastern part? Rangamati, Bandarban, Khagrasari. And what are the characteristics of these people? Yes, characteristic of the people, they are hilly people, and blood and body structure, they are very much like Mongolian people. Okay, my dear, another fact. Anthropologically, Mongolian people also live in northeastern part of Bangladesh. Where is northeastern part of Bangladesh? Among them, the Garo, Hazan, etc. mentionable minority ethnic groups living in Greater Mymensingh. Okay, northeastern part of Bangladesh, where and which people? Garo, Hazan, mentionable minority ethnic groups living in Greater Mymensingh. The Khashi or Khashia and the Manipuri minority ethnic groups live in Greater Sylhet. Besides, Rakhine live in Cox's Bazar, Patuakhali and Burguna districts. Okay, in this paragraph what we have learned, anthropologically, Mongolian people also live in northeastern part of Bangladesh. Among them, Garo, Hazan, mentionable minority ethnic groups living in Greater Mymensingh. The Khashi or Khashia and the Manipuri minority ethnic groups live in Greater Sylhet. Rakhine live in Cox's Bazar, Patuakhali and Burguna districts. Okay, now next para. The people of a small ethnic group named Shautal, Orao, Mahali, Monda, etc. northwestern part such as Dinajpur, Rangpur, Rajshahi, Bogura, Pabna, etc. of Bangladesh. Shautal, Orao, they live in Bangladesh where? Dinajpur, Rangpur, Rajshahi, Bogura, Pabna, etc. They are known as plain land inhabitants. First para we have learned hilly people, and in this para we have learned they are living plain lands and they are plain land inhabitants. So they also live in Greater Sylhet. Okay, now next para, some more minority ethnic groups of people live in Bangladesh. They are Dolo, Hodi, etc. They also live in different parts of Greater Sylhet, Gazipur, Mymensingh and Tangai. Okay, lesson 2, the Chakmas. Very important lesson for you. In the lesson, every year, one creative question will come. So you will learn the lesson properly. The lesson 2, the Chakmas, the name of the largest minority ethnic groups living in district of Rangamati, Bandarban, Khagrasari in Bangladesh in Chakma. Is Chakma. The Chakmas are anthropologically Mongolian. The Chakmas also live outside Bangladesh at Tripura, Mizoram, Arunachal in India. My dear, you will memorize where they live in Bangladesh and where they live outside of Bangladesh. The Chakma live in Bangladesh, Rangamati, Bandarban, Khagrasari in Bangladesh, and outside of Bangladesh where they live. Outside Bangladesh where? Tripura, Mizoram, Arunachal. Okay, now the social life of Chakma. What are the social life of Chakma? Family is the fundamental part in Chakma society. Fundamental part. Which one is fundamental part of Chakma society? Family. Some Chakma families together form Adam or Para. The chief of the para is called Karwari. Some para make a Mouza. The chief of the Mouza is called headman. The headman and Karwari both maintain peace and discipline in the Mouza and para together. So you will memorize what is Mouza, what is Karwari, what is Adam, what is para. Several Mouzas make a Chakma circle, and the chief of this circle is Chakma king. The post of the king in the Chakma society is heredity. The Chakma society is patriarchal. Father is the head in Chakma family. Dear, what are the social life? At first we have learned family is the fundamental part of the Chakma society, and some Chakma families together form Adam or Para, and chief of the Para is called Karwari, and some Para make a Mouza. And who is the chief of the Mouza? A headman. And the headman and Karwari will maintain peace and discipline in the Mouza and Para together. Several Mouzas make a Chakma circle, and the chief of this circle is Chakma king. The post of king is the Chakma society is heredity. The Chakma society is patriarchal. And who is the head of the Chakma family? Father is the head of the Chakma family. Now, economic life. What is the economic life of Chakma? Agriculture is the main livelihood of the Chakmas. The method that they follow in cultivation is called Jum. What is Jum? What is Jum cultivation? In this system, they cultivate in circular way by transforming the land. By cutting, burning the hills land, they cultivate them for some years. Later, what will they? Later, the land is left for a long time to increase fertility. At present, they are getting used to usual process of cultivation. Okay, in this lesson, in this para, what we have learned? What is Jum? In this system, they cultivate in circular way by the transforming the land. By cutting, burning the hills land, they cultivate them for some years, and after that, later the land is left for a long time to increase fertility. At present, they are getting used to usual process of cultivation. Okay, now religious life of Chakma. What are the religious life of Chakma? The Chakmas are Buddhist. Chakmas are Buddhist. In most of their villages, there is a king or Buddhist temple. The main festival of Chakma, Boishakhi Purnima. Gautam Buddha was born, died, and got Bandhutva on this day. Besides, they fly balloons in honor Buddha at the premises of king or pagoda on the night of Maghi Purnima. The dead bodies are burned in Chakma society. What are the religious life? Again, we will learn the Chakmas are Buddhist. In most of their villages, there is a king or Buddhist temple. The main festival Chakma is Boishakhi Purnima. Gautam Buddha was born and died on this day. Besides, they fly balloons in honor of Buddha at the premises of king or pagoda on the night of Maghi Purnima. The dead bodies are burned in the Chakma society. These are the religious life of Chakma. Now, what are the cultural life of Chakma? It is very important. This question will come in 2 marks. The Chakma make cloths by weaving machine called tat. The Chakma make cloths by weaving machine called cloths called tat. The dress worn by the Chakma girls is called pinon and hati. Previously, the Chakma men used to put on shirts made of thick thread, dhuti, gamsa and pagri on head. But at present they put on shirts, pant, lungi, the clothes made by the Chakma women. Who made? Chakma women. Fulgadi and different types of outer garments have become very popular to all people of home and abroad. The Chakmas make beautiful baskets, fans, combs, etc. Also musical instruments with a bamboo and cane. Rice is the staple food of the Chakma. They are fond of eating fish, meat and vegetables with rice. Their favorite food is baskural. The Chakma women cook different items with baskural. The Chakmas like to play hadudu. It is very popular game in our country. And the little girls play Bausi. The greatest festival of the Chakma is Biju. The Chakma celebrate Biju festival on the last 2 days and the first day of Bengali year. The Chakmas are comparatively more educated than other minority ethnic groups. The Chakmas have their own language. So in this para, what we have learned about the cultural life of Chakma. First one we have learned the Chakma made cloths by weaving machine called tat. And about the dress, Chakma girls is called Pina Hadi. The Chakma men used to put on shirts made thick thread, dhuti, gamsa, pagri on the head. But at present, they put on shirts, pant, lungi. And another point we have learned, fulgadi and different types outer garments have become very popular to all people of home and abroad. About the food, baskural is their favorite food. The Chakma women cook different items with baskural. And the Chakma play hadudu. A little girl play bausi. And the Chakma celebrate busy festivals on the last 2 days and the first day of Bengali year. The Chakmas are comparatively more educated than other minority ethnic groups. The Chakma have their own language. These are the points about the Chakma. Lesson 3, the Garos. The Garos are the majority among minority ethnic groups living in Greater Mymensingh of Bangladesh. The Garos live in Mymensingh, Madhupur, Tangail, Netrakona, Sherpur, Jamalpur, Siripur, Gazipur. Please, my dear student, please everybody mark the line where they live in Bangladesh. Live in Bangladesh, Mymensingh. Please mark the line Mymensingh, Madhupur, Tangail, Netrakona, Sherpur, Jamalpur, and Sherpur, Siripur of Gazipur. So this question will come in MCQ part. Very sincere. Living place. There are some Garos in Greater Sylhet, and outside Bangladesh, the Garos also live in Meghalaya and other states of India. This is also very important question. Please mark the line. Outside of Bangladesh, live in Meghalaya and other states of India. Now, the Garo of Bangladesh is normally the inhabitants of plain land. Okay. The Garos normally identify them as Mandi. Please mark the line. Identify them as Mandi. Anthropologically, the Garos are Mongolians. So in this para, what we have learned? We have learned Garos live in Bangladesh where Mymensingh, Tangail, Netrakona, Sherpur, Jamalpur, Siripur of Gazipur. And some Garos live in Sylhet, and outside of Bangladesh they live in Meghalaya and other states of India. And the Garos of Bangladesh is normally the inhabitants of plain land. The Garos normally to identify them as Mandi. This is MCQ question, a knowledge based question. Okay, mark the line. Now, social life of Garos. The Garos live in matriarchal family. Mother is the head of the family in their society. Please mark the line. This is MCQ question. Garos live in matriarchal family and mother is the head of the family. The offspring take their title of their mother. The youngest daughter of the family is the heir of the properties of the family, and father discharges the duty of managing the family in Garo society. Mark the line. First one, matriarchal family. Mother is the head of the family, and father discharges the duty of managing the family in Garo society. Mahari or matrilineal identity is at the root of Garo society. The significance of this Mahari is unlimited in their social life, especially in marriage, inheritance, share of properties, etc. The Chachi and Mahari of the Garos are fixed according to mothers' communities. The marriage of men and women belonging to the same Mahari is forbidden in the Garo society. The bride and groom must belong to separate Mahari. Please mark the line. The Mahari, the bride and groom must belong to separate Mahari. There are a good number of groups in their society. The main groups are Sangma, Mark, Momin, Shira and Areng. These are the social life of Garo. First one we have learned. The Garo lives in matriarchal family. Mother is the head of the family in the society, and the offspring take the title of their mother. And next we have learned the youngest daughter of the family is the heir of the properties of the family. Father discharges the duty managing the family of the Garo society. Next one we have learned Mahari or matriarchal identity is at the root of Garo society. Please mark the line. This is important MCQ. The significance of this Mahari is unlimited in their social life, especially in marriage, inheritance, share of properties, etc. You know, Chachi and Mahari of the Garos are fixed according to mothers' communities. Next one we have learned the marriage of men and women belonging to same Mahari is forbidden, totally forbidden in the Garo society. The bride and the groom must belong to separate Mahari. And next one we have learned there are good number of groups in the society. 5 main groups are Sangma, Mark, Momin, Shira, Areng. Now, economic life. The Garos of Bangladesh generally lives by agriculture. In the past, the Garos were engaged in jhum cultivation. In lesson 1, I have explained about the jhum cultivation. What is jhum cultivation? At present, jhum cultivation is not done by the Garos living in plain lands because they have live in plain land. That says jhum cultivation is not needed for the people. Those who lives in hilly area, hilly people, have need to jhum cultivation. By cultivation, they normally produce rice, vegetables of different kinds of pineapples. Okay, what we have learned in economic life? Please mark the sum line. In the Garo society, at present, jhum cultivation is not done by the Garos living in plain lands. Now religious life. What are the religious life of Garo? The name of primitive religion of the Garo was Sansarik. Please mark the line, everybody. This question will come knowledge based question. Mark the line, everybody. What is the name of primitive religion of Garo? Sansarik. In the past, the Garo worshipped different gods. The name of their chief god was Tatara Rabuga. The Garos used to worship Shaljang. Please mark the line. The name of the chief of god was Tatara Rabuga. And the Garo used to worship Shaljang. And they used to observe religious festivals and rituals by singing, dancing, and sacrificing animals. At present, the majority of the Garos have become the followers of Christian religion. Please mark the line. Which religion they followed? Yes, Christian religion. They now observe different Christian religion festivals, including Christian Day. So what we have learned in this para? What is the name of primitive religion of Garo? Sansarik. Very important question. The name of their chief of god was Tatara Rabuga. The Garos used to worship Shaljang. And at present, the majority of the Garos have become the followers of Christian religion. They now observe different Christian religious festivals including Christmas Day. Now, what is cultural life of Garo? The name of the dress preferred by the Garo women is Dhakmanda and Dhakshari. The name of the traditional dress of the male is Gando. Please mark the line. First line. The name of the dress preferred by Garo women is Dhakmanda or Dhakshari. The name of the traditional dress of the male is Gando. Now, the Garo eat fish and vegetables with rice. The bottom part of little bamboos is one of their favorite foods. Its popular name is mewa. Please mark the line. The popular name is mewa. Besides, they like to eat cake pita wrapped in banana leaf, mera pita, pita fried in oil, teler pita. Please mark the line. Favorite pita. The Garos are very fond of merriment. Their social festivals are agriculture based. Their greater festivals is Ongala. Please mark the line. What are the greatest festival of Garo? Ongala. The language of Bangladeshi Garos is Achik. Please mark the line. This question will come MCQ or knowledge based question. What is the language of Bangladeshi Garos? Yes, Achik. Their language has no alphabet of its own. The Garo language is related to Tibeto-Burmese language. So in this para, what we have learned about the cultural life of Garos? The name of the dress preferred by Garo is, women is Dhakmanda or Dhakshari, and traditional dress males Gando. Garo eat fish and vegetables with rice, and also favorite foods, popular name is mewa. They also favorite pita, cake, teler pita. The Garo are very fond of merriment. Their social festivals are agriculture based. Their greater festivals, Ongala, very important question. What is the greater festival of Garo? Ongala. The language of Bangladeshi Garo is Achik. Their language has no alphabet of its. Everybody will give the answer with me. Question number 1. What is the main festivals of Garo? Do you know, my dear, what is the answer? Yes. What is the main festival of Garo? Ongala. Okay, second question. To which ethnic group does Hadi belong as girl's dress? Do you know Hadi, who is girl's dress? Yes, Chakma. Next question. Where do Manipuri ethnic group people live in? Do you know where do Manipuri ethnic group people live in? Yes, Sylhet. Next question. The fundamental part in Chakma society is. Do you know what is the fundamental part in Chakma society? Yes. Family is the fundamental part of Chakma society. Now next question. What is the favorite food of Chakma? Do you know what is the favorite food of Chakma? Yes, Baskoral. Okay, now next question. What is the biggest festival of Chakma? Do you know what is the biggest festival of Chakma? Yes, Biju. Now next question. Where do Chakma people live outside Bangladesh? Do you know, my dear? Where do Chakma people live outside Bangladesh? Yes, Where? India. Okay, thank you my dear for giving the answer. Now I will give homework. Please everybody take homework. Lesson 1 and 2 learn. My dear, please write your copy. Learn homework. Lesson 1 and 2 of chapter 11. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.